Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, what are the fees to trade stocks with Cash App? So what are the investing fees when you use Cash App? Let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot to go over, but I will show you specifically where you can find this information for your particular account. But why would you want to know what the investing and trading fees for Cash App are? Well, that's pretty easy. Cash App does advertise a lot that they don't charge trading fees or maintenance fees when you are trading stock with Cash App. But of course, that could change at any time. So I'm going to show you exactly where you can see this information. And it's all handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App, and it should bring you right here to the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you'd like to find out what the trading fees are when you're buying and selling stock on Cash App, you want to click on your profile icon here on the top right. It's this little person looking thing. Okay, guys, once you click there, it's going to give you this drop down menu, and you want to scroll down until you get to this line right here called support. Okay, once you click there, it's going to bring up kind of an FAQ page for Cash App, but today we're trying to find out what the trading fees are when you're buying and selling stock on Cash App. So usually what I'll do is I'll just click right here in the center and then just type in investing fees. Okay, so once you type that in, you're going to get a couple of different articles, but go ahead and click on this top one called investing fees. And then as you can see, Cash App says they're free to open the investing account. There is no minimum balance to maintain, and they do not charge any commission fees for buying and selling stocks. Now, this next portion is quite important. So a lot of times on my other videos, if you see me buying and selling stock with Cash App, there is a fee attached and some sort of government regulatory fee. And Cash App explains that it's not their fee. It's just a government fee that's required for each transaction that goes through. So let me go ahead and switch back to one of my transactions and show you what that fee looks like. Okay, guys, I went ahead and switched over to my Moderna sale. I'm currently selling $1 worth of my Moderna stock. And then let me click up here on these three dots. Okay, guys, so you can take a look right here. So for this transaction, I'm selling $1 worth of Moderna stock, but the government fees are going to be 1 cent. So it's like 1% of the transaction. So on a small dollar amount, that doesn't really matter. But as you can see, it could probably add up if you're doing a lot of transactions. But again, at the time of this recording, Cash App does not charge trading fees. This is a government fee for the transaction. But that is fully disclosed when you are buying or selling stocks with Cash App. So just be sure to look for that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the trading fees or transaction fees are for investing on Cash App, that's the most recent information. If you were being charged more than that, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.